And here are some of the latest trendy wardrobe color combinations for 2025 that are making stunning look for your wardrobes. This is pairing combine of earthy warm of rust with soft tone of tea green. It's creating balance and stylish look. It's versatile combination that works well of both casual and semi-formal outfits. And another one more color is emerald green and rose pink. This pairing emerald green with rose pink adds create harmonious blend of rich and soft tones, offering to the sophisticated and elegant look. And another one is the blush pink and cream. This soft and blush pink combination with cream exude of delicate and feminine vibe. It's ideal for creating romantic and timeless that increasing urbanization and exposure to the global trends. Wardrobe designs to continue to the involve balancing and richness of traditions and modern living rooms and bedrooms. The price of wardrobes in India varies significantly based on factors like size, material, design, brand and customization. And here is breakdown of typical wardrobe price ranges. First one is the ready-made wardrobes, that means basic wardrobes. Price range is starting from 5,000 to 20,000 and it's available in standard sizes and made of engineered wood or plastic. These are ideal for budget concern and buyers and temporary setups. And where to buy retail shops like any online platforms. And another one is the mid-range wardrobes. Price range is starting from 20,000 to 50,000 and it's made of better quality engineered wood or solid wood. This often include additional features like mirrors, drawers and modular compartments. Premium ready-made wardrobes these are. And another one is the premium ready-made wardrobes. This price range is starting from 50,000 to 1 lakh or plus. Its high quality materials, sleek designs and advanced features such as sliding doors or premium finishes or integrated lighting. And another one is the custom made wardrobes. Its basic custom wardrobes price range is starting from 25,000 to 50,000. It's made using materials like MDF or practical board, offering basic modular designs and limited customization. And another one is the mid-range custom wardrobes. This price range is starting from 50,000 to 1 lakh. It's made with combination of engineered wood or laminate or veneer. Veneer finishings, it's provide better durability and more customization options. And another one is the luxury custom wardrobes. This price range is starting from 1 lakh to